This next video will show you how to access your unofficial transcripts from Citrus College. To begin, please go to my.citruscollege.edu. From there, please click on the yellow icon that says Register or Add Drop Classes. Once you're there, please log in with your network username and password. Once you're in, you'll see a Return to menu on the upper right-hand corner. Please click on the Return to Menu link. After clicking on the Return to Menu link, you will need to click on it one more time to bring you back to the page that you need to see. So please click on Return to Menu once again. And now this is the menu that we want to see. We're going to click on Student Records. From here, we're going to click on Unofficial Transcript. After clicking on Unofficial Transcript, please click on Submit. After clicking the Submit button, you will be able to see your unofficial Citrus College transcript. Thank you for watching.